Meaning of headline.
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 Headline. The term headline refers to the title or heading of a news article, usually printed in large typeface, which summarizes the main idea or theme of the article to attract the reader's attention. A good headline should be clear, concise, and attention-grabbing, while also accurately reflecting the content of the article. It is an important component of journalism and plays a critical role in shaping public perception and understanding of current events. Effective headlines can draw readers in and encourage them to engage with the news, while poor or misleading headlines can create confusion and undermine trust in the media.